To be verbs song. Was and were, let's sing today. Past tense helps us tell the way. Was is used for one alone. Were is used for many known. I was happy, he was tall. She was kind and loved by all. It was sunny, bright and clear. Yesterday is in the rear. You were ready, we were too. They were smiling just like you. These are past tense words we say to tell the stories every day. Was for one and were for more. That's the rule we all adore. Sing this song and you will see past tense as easy as can be.